We've been deep in love for 20 years. I raised that man, I raised his kids. I know my man better than he knows himself. I can easily understand why you're attracted to my man, but you don't want the smoke, so shoot your shot with someone else.
You heard me.
Jolene, 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 I'm warning you, woman, find you your own man. Jolene, I know I'm a queen. Jolene, I'm still a Creole Benji bitch from the weed.